do you guys have ice cream cones? Can I get a regular vanilla cone, please? Nope, that's it. Alright.
I need another dollar, guys.
How much is it?
$2.29 for regular.
Just grab into my little ashtray thing there. There's change in there.
Sonic number one.
Making number changes, right?
It's right here. There. Here, Audrey.
Okay.
But you need to like sit back a little bit so I can actually.
I need to. Hang on. I need to find out how much money it is.
Like,
How much is it? Are you sure? Thank you. You too.
He didn't even look! He was like...
Hey, Audrey, pull over into this one.
I'm gonna stop right here.
Oh my god.
Not here, pull into the